I think it's going to be a lot closer than it was in the Challenger Series, but I also think that we could see some big wins and some big losses in the coming regatta. And I think that's going to come down to a lot to manoeuvres again. I don't think it's going to be a pure boat speed race. I think that both teams are going to be quite equally matched, and someone's going to make a mistake and the other team's going to capitalise on it.
The key part will be that start, the first reach mark and executing that first drive. I think if you can get out of there in good shape, it'll really set you up well for the rest of the race.
New Zealand's been a tough challenger the whole way along. They've really shown Prada and Artemis really who's boss.
They're a very solid team, so we're expecting a really tough fight. We're confident we'll be competitive. There's been a lot of talk, a lot of distractions. We just want to get on the water now and get racing.
Whether it's 9 or 11, the fact of the matter for us it's 11, so we just need to get our heads around that and get on with the job at hand. It's a tough crew, and mentally I don't think that's going to shake anybody.
Going into the Cup, it's difficult to have many expectations, but I've got one clear expectation, and that's going to be a huge fight the whole way around. A very tough team, a tough race course. I'm expecting nothing short of a battle on the water.